Hi guys. So when I come it, I just making indomie and liver. So so this video now up for all of una. All of una where they cry single mother and benefit for Europe. So So back to those people wey be say that they always dey cry all the time about women when they collect social for Europe, women they collect benefit for Europe, all those brothers wey dey cry well where they say the thing they read they pay some. There is plenty of them. Most of these daki always crying, say women they collect money for Europe, they collect social benefits to take care of their own children. The children will be say many of them no they take care of, they abandon, they don't they pay school fees, they don't they know whether the pikin go eat, go clothes, it go park, it go need grocery, it go need anything, they don't care. But you see, any little thing on social media, you see say they go run come out, they say, all these single mothers, now so that they collect benefit. If these women don't collect benefit, what do you have to offer them? That be my question. If women don't collect benefit, I'm referring to black women, because the people when they actually they complain now the group of men who will be say for their own country, they not even put 5 kobo benefit for their children. They not even put money for their own women. 0 social benefits, 0 housing estate or something for families. Everything is 0. But they have the guts to always type nonsense, come out for public, they talk nonsense about their women, say that they collect benefits. Una believe say if una get the knowledge, una get the sense, una really love una women, una really love una children. The children are the future of the country. Una believe say all these women go they collect benefits. Una believe say una future children go dey without no financial protection. For where they from they come now 0. Country where they stay here now, they don't get nothing like generational wealth. They don't get job tomorrow where be say if the children even grow safe, they fit go find work for any black man office for you. You know they all una spend una time they do now to they complain about women. Women they collect social good. Many women they collect social because they get children when they need to take care of. The men not responsible because in many communities, in many countries, na men now they take the matter of family. Now men they take care of family because at the end of the day, if you marry a woman, you go want make the woman answer your name. You go want make the children answer your name. So the responsibility of caring for your children and your wife is for the men side. In every community, even Chinese, everything. That is why you see a Chinese man go get 1 business, get 2 business, get 3 business, get 4 business. Go get a lot of wealth. You will see most white and all of them. They try to create wealth. Not be because of them alone. They're not they selfish like most African men. They create it because of their children, the legacy, something to leave down for their children. But you where they complain now, what do you get? What do you leave for your own children? What do you get where they create, where they arrange for your own picking? Nothing. Instead, you spend time on social media, they complain, they type nonsense. Oh, all these women they live on social. All these women they live on social. Whether you be producer of single mother or you are married for this Europe, waiting you they offer your children, which future your children they look onto for you as a man. If you look plenty percentage, it no reach 20% where you go pay, you go say get something to offer your children and the wife. No reach 20% pass. Now they bash women pass. Say the women they collect social, they don't want work. Which work you want make woman work? Which work you want make all these women go work? The way when I say they pregnate them up and down, 3 children, 4 children, no time to rest, no time to nothing. It just be like say many of them are contract slave put for house for free. Take off on our children, bet on our children, 0 legacy for them. And you go see have the guts to come and say all these women collect government money. If they don't collect government money, what do you have to offer them? Are you working? Do you sufficiently have money to create something. Many of you don't even have a driving license in this Europe. Many of you have document. Now some of you still not get document. Many of you have document. You can't even take driving license. You see they jump, enter. I beg go, don't carry us and my wife. You see they jump, enter people car. You don't even have a driving license. You don't even have a basic plan for woman. Many of you don't even own the house that you are living in with these women. Many of you can't afford food for your family monthly. Many of you are just mentally lazy. You can't do nothing. So why do you believe inside that your small mind, your delusional mind, say most women no go be on social? Why you believe say most women no go be on social in this Europe? Why you always complain around? Say we women they on social. If they are not on social, what do you have to offer them? You want them to be like say they Africa, where they for the suffer, where picking for the suffer, go through traumatic situation, different stages, and become a criminal or a cultist at the end of the day. You have nothing to offer. That is why these women are going to social. That is the cheapest and the easiest alternative for them, because globally women are made to provide for by the men. If they want to do something, they want to support, that should be from their own free will. But most of our Daki women, they are not protected, they are not supported by their husband. The men, some of the men that are even complaining at times, they even push their wife to go and collect the social. Many of them separate from their home because they want to collect social. But because many of them are so hypocrite, they can't stand for the truth, because most of them, they are pathological liars. They like to lie, they like to live on delusion. It's very quick for them, and the women, they like to accept that they are delusional thoughts. They try to blame people, say now this one they no get paper. When they get paper, they no get work. When they get work, they no feel work. They are always dependent. They always have different reasons why they cannot work like their counterparts, the Oyibo people, when they come in for the country. The Oyibo man pension at the age of 67 years. Most Daki men here, they are 35. They don't want to work. They can give any excuse they want to give, but when you give the work today, you will know say they don't want to work. They will bring one excuse, say they work too hard. I don't believe say any man should complain, say work hard. I don't think so. Because even the most hardest job, na still human being they do. If the work come too dangerous, they will use robots. And person will go see push that robot. Now person go still push that robot. But many of them choose to be lazy on their own. But the easiest person they can blame is the women. The women don't want to work. Where do you want make woman work come for you? Why do you want the woman to be working to support you? Huh? You want her to be working to be supporting you because you don't get the ability to work and care for your family. Now you go be number one to come out to the make man say women they collect social. If they don't collect social, they no fit meet up with other women around them, which is the white women. Most of their children go dey like say na Africa they go they wear tattered clothes. They go dey in a stressful situation. They go back like they live for Europe. They go still dey Africa when it comes to the socio-economic family money to live. They go suffer well. But una will roll come out quick. All these women social. Me they ask una now say if these women not take social, what una get to offer them as a man? Because plenty of una that are even working, your wife cannot cough. You believe that because you are working, your wife need to dey worship you like a small Ogun or small Romila when they the corner of the room. Many of you believe because you dey work or you invite your wife from Africa come and you dey work or one thing or the other. Because I notice most that when they work, it be like say you need to dey worship them. Man tell una, no be big deal for a man to be working. It's a responsibility. Whether you get wife, you no get wife, you supposed to dey work. You go dey work to take off yourself. If you be responsible man, or you be responsible woman, you no get children, you no get for you to dey work. It be like worship me because I'm working. So most Chinese wey they work 24 hours of the day. They make a lot of money. People are afraid to compete with other people. Pakistani own phone store. They own different things. Business, fruit shop, this, that. Una go dey inside house as consumer. The next thing na to dey complain about the women. They collect social. If they not collect social, one make they take leave. How? When it be say the social self now they push some of them go for condition. Say go take social, me go there, you go there. But because many of you are living on delusion, many of the women too are very delusional. They try to take all those on a points. Say, all these women they too like social money. Many of them will pregnant woman, one and also not get job, one not get money. Even the house one they stay safe na a girlfriend or a baby mama, now you get the house. How woman no go take social? Many of you cannot do shopping at home. You cannot buy clothes for your children, even for your born baby that is coming. Charity have to take care of those clothes and everything. They have to do everything practically for you. You go see get man the tap nonsense all over social media. All these women, they want to take benefit. They want to take benefit. If they don't take benefit, what do you have to offer them? Is the question. If you see this video, write am down. Wait till you feel offer woman. Even many of you, before your wife go get a monthly allowance here, if your family never eats, may they vomit. You no go give your wife money. You no go know say your pikin need to change this shoe. Your pikin need to change this cloth. Your pikin need to do a lot for her or himself. You no go know. Many of you said light spoil for house. You cannot even change it. You want me your wife can't change the light. Many of you are not the man enough. So the women wey dey una life or wey get baby for una, they have no choice to become a social wife. They have no choice to put themselves into social benefit and take care of their children. Many of una, before una even born una children self, una don abandon the home more than 3, 4, 5 times. Even many of una, as they born the pikin self, una don carry abandonment follow the pikin. So why that kind of woman go dey stable? Why she go trust in you to fit lead the home? She no go say okay make I enter social, at least social benefit go dey secure for me. Na secure money for me wey be say every month I go fit get money to take care of my children. I go fit get money to take care of myself without that going back and front when many of una they do with the women. Today una break up, tomorrow una day, today una break up. And many of una they do those break up. You don't even pay for the house. You don't even pay for nothing. Because if actually the money, the bills is in your name, the house is in your name, you will not be breaking up, packing out. It happens that you are living for free, rent free. That is why you, before una quarrel for crayfish, for pepper, you are packing out and you are packing in whenever you want to pack in and out. That is what it is. So when you are complaining, say women they take social, how many generational wealth do you have as a black person in the country you are living? How many business you see say black people create for the country where they live, apart from Afro shop? Are you competing when it comes to wealth in the country where you they live? Especially this Europe. Even if you have money, do you have a character? Do you have integrity? Do you have respect for yourself and for your woman, your children? Do you want to build a legacy? Is another question. You can have all the money in the world and you will be a recycle man. This one will follow you, go drop you. This woman will follow you, go drop you. Because I they follow woman drop and so they say they carry man drop and if he go no clear. Now so it be. So una when they complain, say they ask yourself, say, wetin you get to offer woman? What do you have to offer? Gbonla come with bills. Gbonla come with responsibility. That is why you will see a woman, many are very, that's why you see I get called. Say many women are more comfortable taking social benefit than disturbing themselves with some benefit, because that is the only option they have over here in Europe. If not, they will dey street. They know they see for Europe, say, I dey go my mama house, I dey go my papa house, I dey go my auntie house, make I fit pack all these children go. No, you know dey. If you no get options of house where they habitable for children to stay, they'll collect your children from you. If you no get money to eat and all those stuff, they fit help you, or they fit collect the children from you. Depends on everything. Here not be Nigeria. So if now they complain, when you get bunch of children, you are not working, you are not making any money, you are always talking nonsense. Your own are to throw blame on the women. When they say you no lose any blood, you no do 9 months, nothing. Your work is just to provide, and it's still a problem to you. I beg, you need to kill yourself and come back again to this world. Instead of you complaining, because you see, say, now, the women, they vulnerable. Now she carry all the role responsibility. You have nothing and you are a loser. All you can do is to just complain. It's easier to be complaining. It's easier to be delusional, especially most darky. They are very delusional. They are very, very delusional. You know, they don't get that intelligent. They don't get intelligent. Plenty of them. The women are very easy to complain about. They don't have character. Is that enough for you not to take care of your child? If the woman where you marry don't have character, divorce her and look for another one. If not, character be everything what you want for a relationship. Because what many of una need now, woman will be say una fit pull into struggle, una fit drop into struggle. It go dey suffer. It go be like saying na Africa e dey. You can go, you can come, you can go, you can come, you can go. You damaging your children emotion, self-confidence. They unstable emotionally because they will see you today, tomorrow you are leaving. So why that type of woman will not go to and secure herself financially with social money? Huh? You have 3, 4 girlfriends, you are not stable. You have plenty baby mama all over all the place. And you think that woman not will take social money? That is the most stable financial income that could be coming to her, where don't have financial stability. Many of them don't want to work. Many of them want to measure themselves with women. Many of them want women with 4 children at very tender age to be working, slaving, mulling themselves to support them. 50-50, 70-20, 90-10. 90, the woman will be paying 90, you'll be paying 10. And you think that being a mom is not a big job. You go around complaining around that all these women don't want to work, they don't want to work. Where do you want them to put their children to be mulling for you? That is what is paining many of you, that you don't see those rugged women. Although there are still, many are still rugged and still struggling over here. You don't see them over here in Europe, that they are suffering. You'll be saying, we will see as you go suffer now. We will see as you go suffer. Don't they suffer? We will see as you go suffer. You go come beg me. You don't see them. That is what is paining many of you. You need to wake up. You need to do better for yourself instead of complaining up and down. When you see any time that government takes somebody's child, you start talking nonsense. All these women, government take their child because they are collecting social. Because the men in their community cannot fucking provide for them. They don't have generational wealth. They don't have anything. They don't have skills. They just run a taxi. They come another man country. Even the ones that have, they don't want to formation. They don't want to continue to boost their skills over here. They don't want to. They don't want to go to school. They don't want to open business, phone company now, small Pakistani they run am. Yeah, they make money over here, is everywhere. They can do it. When you open business now, drink, fight, problem around, and you still want a woman or Paul, know that your rugged behavior. When somebody speak to you, you pick up a bottle, you want to break their head. You are still looking for a woman. You still believe that you are entitled to have a woman. You people need to wake up and just shut the hell up, because at times many of you are so irritating and very irresponsible. You talk out of delusion. It's only women that don't have sense that will be listening to all those talk and all those nonsense. So make I leave una. Somebody they call me. Make I answer my call. We'll see tomorrow. Bye bye, everyone.